guys, welcome back to Southern Rebels. In this video I'll be going to Yogi Bear State Park to go camping. I'll be going fishing and kayaking, maybe swimming, stuff like that. So that's the kind of stuff I'll be videoing, so hope y'all enjoy it. But as for right now, I'm going to be doing a little four-wheeler ride before I head out. And the lower ball joint came off. Got this big old log as a jack, and I'm gonna hit on this, see if I can get it back in. Alright, I got it. Good to go. I'm about to clean and wash my grandpa's tractor. It's been a while since it's been washed. Alright y'all, made it to the campground. About to go swimming and do some fishing later.
Years, and if you have not been at the theater in the last 2 years, well, my goodness, you need to come in.
Oh my God! I was gonna do some fishing after I got done swimming, but can't do it today. I'll do it tomorrow because I got rained out. What's up, y'all? Just ate, about to do a little fishing. I heard there was crap in here, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Today I'm using an American Hero combo. Bought this at Academy. Well, I've been here for 30 minutes and ain't caught crap. Guess ain't nothing in here. I'm about to go paddle boat. These paddle boats right here is junk. They go better in reverse than they do forward. They just make you tired, you know. They run about like a Ford does. Just pure junk. Just a good workout for you. You don't go nowhere. If you ever think about buying a boat or a kayak or something, just don't get a paddle boat. These things are junk, you know. They work better in reverse, honestly. They just, you go forward, it sits there. You go in reverse, it moves like 1 mile an hour. Got a canoe this time and making some progress. Made it around this little loop here. Just got done canoeing, about to play this old man sport of hockey. What the heck's going on? I hate this sport. It's not even a sport. It's an expedition. It's for old freaking people. Not somebody like me. What is this, hockey? Well, I just made it home. I gotta say I had a pretty good time except for the golfing and the paddle boating. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you did, smash that like button and the subscribe button. If you have any ideas or stuff you want me to do in future videos, then comment it down below and I'll look into it. Well, I guess that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Southern Rebels.